Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to iterate list of files, in our case Excel files, and add a cell sheet to every single one of them. So let's start from adding the loop action. So we have files loop, and we need to set some parameters. We need to set file name. So we just do that by using our files are actually in this directory. So just copy this path, put it here, and we say that to use XLSX as a mask, and we want to process all files. And what we want to do, we want to save loop value into file variable, file, and then we need to check if should actually exist transactions. So parameter, the file is and parameter is variable, the name is cells, and we want to add cell sheet. If it does not exist, file, so variable, cells. I want to make sure that it is the last one. Okay. And on success we want to repeat. And if it does exist, we just want to switch to the next file. Click save, and we are ready to run it. But first of all, let's check our files. So here's the file, and you can see we don't have cell sheet here. Let's run it, see what happens. Fingers crossed. Okay, it should fail for some reason. Why is that? Okay, so what we need to do, variable, execution work. Yeah, we need to enable it. Very easy mistake to make. Let's try again. Okay, looks like it is working. And we go back to our directory. Let's see, all of them have cell sheet. That was easy. And this one is fine as well. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.